Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, I received a request that somebody would like to learn how to draw a parrot. I love requests. So here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a one-eyed parrot. Polly, want a cracker? Come on, let's get to drawing. Okay, first thing we want to do is start off with a sphere. And this will be the basis of drawing our head of the one-eyed parrot. From here we're going to start to draw his body shape, and you can see the first line I drew was a straight line followed by this slight curve and then another straight line. Jump to the other side of his body, come on down with another straight line, and then we're going to do a nice sweeping curve. This will be the bottom part of his body. I would pause the video right now if you need to take some time and get this shape drawn accurately. Next, let's begin with drawing his hat. We're going to start with an angled line. This will be where his head fits into his hat. And the hat we're going to draw is like a colonial hat. It's a hat with 3 corners. So this small U shape represents the front of his hat. And be careful when you draw these things. You really want them to be as accurate as possible. All right, let's get the top part of his hat. And you can see I've kind of angled it on one side, or it comes around and then has more of a vertical feel on the other side. Let's go ahead and get his beak in now, and you can see I'm making his beak rather large. 2 curves. And we want to give him a slight smile, so I'm kind of taking an S curve. And then his bottom beak will just curve around. Here's the line for his patch, the string that his patch is going to hang down from. Oh, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this. All right, let's get his wing in, and the one wing is folded onto his body, and it starts off a little bit of a straight, then a curve. Get some feathers in here. And many times when I'm drawing, I keep trying to think of drawing straight lines and drawing curved lines. They create a lot of contrast when you're drawing characters or you're drawing anything really. Let's get 2 of his legs. Let's get his legs in here. I'm going to start off with these round U shapes. And then quickly getting his feet in. And this might be a great time to pause the video, reference the drawing on the left-hand side, get your details in, and then color it. Let's get the feather in. Then after the feather, we're just going to add some surface lines. Surface lines to his feet, surface lines to his legs. And that will bring us to the end of our One-Eyed Parrot. I think you did a great job. Leave a comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.